Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen Hoichoi Eats. Today's recipe is a quick 10 minutes recipe, dahi malai paneer. Let's get into the video. To make this delicious recipe, you will need onions, cumin seed, red chilli, green chilli, garam masala, ginger, paneer, fresh cream, dahi, ghee for frying. Add 3 tablespoons of dahi, 2 tablespoons of cream, cumin powder, pepper powder, salt. Mix it to make a thick mixture. Add the paneer, the onion cubes and green chili. You can skip the onions and add capsicum instead if you want to make a complete veg recipe. Mix it. Keep this marinated for 30 minutes. Heat a pan. Add ghee. I have used ghee for extra flavor. You can also do it in rice bran oil. Add cumin seeds, the red chili, and ginger and garam masala finely coarsed. Fry this mixture for 30 seconds. Now it's time to add the marinated paneer. Keep the flame in low and add the marinated paneer to it. Ensure that the curd does not curdle down. That's why we keep the flame very low. Stir it very lightly so that paneer cubes do not break. Add the extra ghee. Stir it again and let it rest. Cover this with a lid and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes in low flame. After 7 minutes, you can see the color. The paneer is almost cooked. Add hot water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Again, stir it very lightly. Cover this with lid and leave it for a minute. After a minute, you can see your delicious malai paneer is ready. You can serve this hot with rumali roti or chapati. It's a quick dinner recipe. To ensure you get to receive all the updates of such delicious recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.